calling Gormley and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a little thing and I didn't want to show you my address, so that's the outer package. It's a Woobles, the Woobles. Woobles. Wobbles? No, I guess it would have to be Woobles since it's 2 O's and only 1 B. The Weebles. Woobles. The Woobles. Yeah. Pierre the Penguin. So I saw this on Facebook and I just couldn't resist. So I paid for this. I'm not being paid for this product placement. I bought it and I like the little like plasticky packaging. So the Woobles Learn to Crochet Kit for Beginners. I chose Pierre the Penguin. I told them that I did not need a hook. So I think there's a hook option too if you need a hook. Let's see what's included. Yarn, step-by-step instructions, pre-started piece, wow, stuffing, plastic eyes, yarn noodle, online instructions. And as soon as this arrived, I guess I don't have it with me or handy. As soon as this arrived, I got an email with the PDF of the instructions that had like 40 process photos on how this goes. So finished size, 3.5 inches, 4.5 inches, 3 to 8 hours. It says good for the complete beginner. Look at this. So if you want to put your phone up to the screen now, maybe you can get the QR code and it'll go to the company. So there it is. And there's lots of different critters that you could get. And I chose the penguin. And I don't know if I'm going to do the penguin or if I'm going to use the penguin stuff to come up with something for myself. But I thought the penguin was cute. Let's see what we got here. Okay, stuffing and a little sticker. It's what's inside that counts. That's so cute. The packaging is A+. I have to say, I'm really impressed with the packaging. Ooh, very soft. Oh, look at this. My favorite. You guys, wow, look at that. Somebody started it for me. Oh, that's what they said, but I didn't really believe it. And little yarn markers. And these are like that. I don't think they're Clover brand, but they're pretty darn close, I think. So very, very good. This yarn is a chainette yarn. It's very cute. It's very, very soft. It feels like t-shirt yarn. Learn it, make it, love it on the label. The Woobles. Very, very adorable packaging so far. I am very impressed so far. And let's see what else comes in here. What's this? Okay. Oh, little penguin sticker. I wonder if all the different animal critters that you can choose from have their own sticker. Very good marketing here. Instructions inside. The wee woobly bits, adorable. Okay, so looks like they have the same generic packaging for all of their critters, and then depending on the critter, they personalize it. So let's see what's in this little envelope. So obviously the card that was there, meet Pierre, nice. And then more, oh, I guess I shouldn't have covered up the password there. Sorry. I guess you get a password. I'm going to have to cover that up in the video. I'm going to put this aside because once you buy the product, you get the password, I guess for more videos or something. I'll have to check. So here's the eyes and a yarn needle and black yarn, which is the same yarn as this, but only in black. And a little backing for the eyes. Should there be 2 of these? Maybe not. Or the backing for the nose. I'm not sure. I think there was just 1 of those. So I'll have to read the instructions. And I'll have to be very careful about putting this all back safely and putting this back to cover it so it doesn't fall out of the package. So when you get yours, make sure you don't lose anything important. And I'm going to, oh, there it is. It did fall out. See, that's the backing for the other eye. Very easy to lose. So I'm glad it came in this little sealed package. So I will put it back in the package so that it is safe until I need it. Let's see if there's anything else in here. And, oh, a little bit more in here. Oh, the white and the yellow. The white for the belly and the yellow for the nose. And that is everything. So I did not ask for a hook, but Learn to Crochet Kit for Beginners. So I might make this just to see how great the instructions are, but I'm super impressed with the packaging so far. So should I make it? Should I push it off to the side? What should I do? I am impressed with the packaging. I will find out how much I paid for this and link it in the description. I'm not getting a kickback. I'm not an affiliate. I don't know who owns this company. I saw the ad on Facebook and thought it was cute, so I bought it. So it's not, I'm not endorsing it in any way. I just thought it's cute, and so you guys might think it's cute too. Should I make it? What would you do? Tell me in the description below, and maybe I'll just keep going with this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Ellen Gormley. I hope that you spent the last few minutes with a relaxing and valuable use of your crochet time. If you've not seen the last video, click up here if you've got a few more minutes. If you have seen it, here's another one I think you might really like. But everybody, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.